The real cost of a lost estimate. When you lose a $7,000 estimate, you didn't just lose $7,000. You lost the drive time to the site, the hour measuring and scoping the job, the 30 minutes writing up the bid, the materials markup you would have earned, and the referral that customer would have sent you after a great install. One lost estimate costs you $10,000 to $15,000 in total value when you factor in time, opportunity cost, and future revenue from that relationship. Now multiply that by the 5 to 8 estimates you're losing every month to zero follow-up. That's $50,000 to $120,000 per year that evaporated because nobody picked up the phone. I don't sell leads. I don't run ads. I just make sure the estimates you already sent don't die in someone's inbox. DM me, audit, and I'll show you your actual number based on your own estimates, your own close rate, and your own follow-up history. What you do with that number is entirely up to you, but at least you'll know. Go to our website, noredtapeguy.com. And with that, more to come.